Hi guys, Viva here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make extremely easy and delicious cake that is basically put together in few minutes. All we have to do is make our whipped cream and then put the cake together with these things I just bought from the store. I bought vanilla and lemon meringue. They're both sugar-free, so you have to use sugar by taste in your whipped cream. And I also bought some butter cookies, and believe me, nobody will believe you made that or will ever guess you made that with products from the store. For this cake I'm going to use my 10-inch springform pan, and I'm going to use only the top part because on the bottom I'm going to use one of these cardboard cake bottoms. So I'm just going to place it like that and assemble the cake on the top of it. Very easy, no bake, absolutely delicious cake. So let's start. Let's go. I'm using 500 milliliters, which is 2 cups and a quarter of chilled heavy cream. Always take it out of the fridge at the very last moment, and I'll add the sugar gradually and beat until stiff peaks. By the way, I just bought this. This came as a set of 3 bowls, 3 different sizes. I'm absolutely happy I bought them so you can see better what I'm doing. And I just bought my springform pans. They also came in 3 sizes as a set, very cheap. I found them on Amazon, so I'll put the links below in case you're interested. Let's make our cake. Just add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and combine well. Okay, I'll start unpacking my cookies. Actually, I start with the cookies, and what I just did, I made a nice batch of hot, oh my god, hot, fresh, strong coffee, and I sweetened with sugar. I used brown sugar. Like I said, the meringues are sugar-free, so I want something extra sweet. And I'll be dipping my butter cookies in the coffee and placing them on the bottom as first layer. You can use any cookies you wish, or any cookies you like. It doesn't matter. Just make sure everything is covered very well on the bottom. My cookies have a little hole in the middle, but I will fill this up. I'll leave this one for a fill. hot still. Just dip and keep going like that. It's so easy, I'm telling you. Just arrange them very well. Make sure you have nice coverage on the bottom. First layer is ready. And now let's open the meringues. And look at the lemon meringue. They have this pale yellow beautiful color. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. So I'm gonna arrange them and mix them. This way, even when you cut the cake, you'll have different colors. You can use any type you wish. So let's arrange. And there you have it. The second layer is ready and it looks so beautiful. It's gorgeous. And we'll cover that with the whipped cream gently. Gentle than I did it. Definitely. The meringues are tall, so that will take a little more excuse me, whipped cream. And that's it. Of course, if you'd like, you can go use a bigger pan, add more layers. Use your imagination. And now I'm just playing with it, trying to make it even and nice. Now place it in the refrigerator for maybe 2 hours. And I'll finish with a little chocolate drizzle on the top, and that will be all. The easiest cake ever, and it's going to be delicious. Everybody's gonna love that. Let me just do a little in here, make it look beautiful. Like that. Side. This is how you make cake in a few minutes, and it's delicious. So off to the fridge. I'll see you when it's ready. I just took the cake out of the fridge, guys, Let's see what's happening. I'm using this tiny little knife and I'm gonna run it around to separate the cake from the walls of the pan, and I'm not gonna use the cutting part of the knife. I'm gonna use the back side. If you can have it stay overnight to set, it's the best. And there it is. We got our cake. I like it the way it is. What I'm going to do is drizzle some chocolate. Let's see what's gonna happen. Abstract art, what can I tell you? Ha! It's looking good, I think. And that's it, I'm perfectly happy with that look. So, what do you think? There it is. And let's cut a piece. So guys, this is so soft, so fluffy, and so yummy. Everybody's gonna love this at home, and they won't believe you that you made this from basically from things you bought from the store and put it together in 10 minutes or less. It is really delicious. It's light. Let me grab with the meringue and the coffee taste. Like I said, it reminds a little of tiramisu. I hope you enjoyed that video. Give me the thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. I will appreciate the support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!